Okay, let's do a quick visual condition report, starting with the front right wheel. I don't see any curb rash on it. Looking at this fender, I see 2 small rock chips. The rest of that looks good. Side mirror looks nice. I do see 2 chips up here. The rest of that A-pillar looks good. Got a little scuff on the door here. The rest of that door looks good. Upper side looks nice. The bed looks good here, and I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. Then checking out the front end, you are going to have some rock chips here on the lower section. You're going to see those kind of scattered throughout. Some of them are larger than others. You have them throughout this section as well. Here on the plastic. Looking at the hood, a couple small ones. Most of the impacts, though, happened here on the front side. Got a larger chip there. Then looking at this bed side, got 2 chips right there, a really small scuff. The rest of that looks good. That wheel looks nice. I don't see any curb rash on it. We have a couple scuffs in this area. They do not catch your nail. They're all pretty minor. And of course, you're going to have your typical surface scuffs from washing and things like that. We got a chip on the body line here. Now we do have a couple small dings, and they chip the paint. Got a little scuff here. Got a little scuff there. Rest of the fender looks good. And that wheel looks awesome. Then looking at the tailgate, you got the back flip cover here, and it's the kind of hard plastic material. We have a gash right there in the bumper. A small scuff here. The rest of the bumper looks good. Then looking at the engine bay, it's nice and clean. Looks really good. Looking at the interior, it is extremely clean. It's a non-smoker. This door panel looks amazing. Got the memory seating. All these buttons look perfect. I don't see any scuffs here. This trim looks good. That bolster is nice and clean. You got a couple wrinkles right here. I don't see any rips or tears or excessive wear. Looking at the steering wheel. It looks good. All these buttons are clean. Got the massive screen. Heated cool seats, auto start stop. Got the trailer brake controller here, wireless charger in there. I mean, this side is very, very clean. Looking at this door panel, looks absolutely perfect. This stitching looks really good. Got the Denali emblem here. Bose audio. Kick plate area looks good. Got these awesome floor mats. They are kind of peeling up on the edge right there just a little bit. That bolster looks good. I don't see any scuffs or scratches. And the rest of the seat itself looks good. I'm really not seeing any flaws on this side. Back right door panel looks good. I don't see any flaws there. Couple scuffs on the plastic. Got the really nice floor mats here. Seat backs look amazing, and they are heated. And the seats themselves look good. Once again, super clean. I don't see any flaws.